Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to see your watch history on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to see your watch history, or if you want to know that to see the videos you have watched, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your TikTok app to prevent issues. Open your App Store or Play Store, tap on search, and you have to search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app. And once you have updated your app, you just have to go back and open your TikTok app here. Then tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner. And here tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And you just have to tap on Activity Center here. And here you have to select Watch History. And you'll get all the videos which you have watched on TikTok. So in this way, you can easily get all of your watch history on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.